In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Todoist with your calendar app. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go in your account settings, so your tasks can show up right alongside your events, making your planning much smoother and more organized. Let's start from inside your Todoist workspace. Make sure you're logged in and looking at your main task view, whether that's today, upcoming, or any of your projects. At the top of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. This might be a small picture, your initials, or a generic avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is your gateway to all of your personal settings and preferences in Todoist. A small menu will appear, usually dropping down from the top. In this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where you will find everything related to how your account behaves, including integrations like calendars. Click on Settings to open the full settings panel. Once the settings window or page opens, you'll see several sections or tabs, each dedicated to a different area, such as account details, notifications, and integrations. What we're interested in is the calendar configuration. Look for the section or tab that says Calendar. Depending on the version you're using, this might appear in a sidebar on the left or as a top tab. Take a moment to locate it, then click on Calendar. Inside the Calendar section, you'll find the controls that connect Todoist to your preferred calendar app. This is typically where you'll see options for calendar feeds, sync settings, and possibly specific calendar platforms like Google Calendar or others. While the exact fields and options may vary, this is always the central place where calendar integration is managed. If you're setting this up for the first time, you will usually be guided to either generate a calendar link or connect directly to a supported calendar service. Follow the on-screen prompts that appear in this area to complete the integration for your specific calendar app. Once you've done that, your Todoist task can begin to appear on your calendar, helping you view deadlines and events in one unified place. To recap, all you need to remember is open Todoist, click your profile icon, go into Settings, then head to the Calendar section to manage the integration with your calendar app.